I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make $1. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last.
Magandang araw mga ka-online. Andito tayo ngayon sa Balatan, Camarines Sur. Magdi-deliver tayo mga ka-online sa Barangay Payak Bato Camarines Sur. Dito tayo dumaan mga ka-online sa Balatan kasi mas malapit yung daan dito. Although malayo-layo yung biyahe natin from Partido area, dumaan tayo sa Pili Camarines Sur. Pagkagaling natin ng Pili, diretso tayo ng Bula, then Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Then diretso na dito sa Balatan.
When things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try.
Online, samahan nyo ako sa biyaheng ito. Byaheng Payak Bato Camarines Sur. Tara.
Want to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Let's go. Baby, I was born to fight. It's hard to be yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, shit, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna give up. The last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Was born to fight.
ka-online. Hanapin natin yung bahay ng kliyente. Tara. So, excuse po, saan pang Zone 7? Ah.
Saan po kaya baba po sana po yan. May daanan dyan pababa. Tapos may kita mo din sa rato lang. Sunsebe.
Ay, kay Frank Paabila po. Anong dahil lang siya? Ah. Salamat. Tapos na tayong mag-deliver. Dito tayo ngayon sa postal ng Bato Camarines sa Barangay Payak. Medyo madumi yung dagat dulot ng bagyong Byaheng. Kung makapansin yung mga ka-online, ang daming mga basura. Mga ka-online, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Byaheng Payak Bato Camarines.